Ember is very well known for special build, very well known for high-end build, very well known for quality, and we have zero warranty claim. They don't come here as other trailers for service. Why? Because they are so proud when they're making this unit. So what is behind me is the Ember E-Series, and this model is the 22 ETS. Now, everybody say, what are you talking to me, 22 ETS? 22 ETS is a 22-foot, overall length around 25 and some change. It has a double over double in the back with a dinette slide and a walk-around bed in the front. Now, this unit is gonna have features, I don't care what brand you're comparing me, they're not gonna have it. And I'm gonna point these features for you. Look how big this corner molding. So they have big corner molding in the front. It's a nice fiberglass front with a half diamond plate. This is the extra touch they do. Everybody throws spare tires in the back of the unit. Ember, they put it underneath, so it give you open in the back. So that's a plus. That's how you see quality. This one has off-grid package. Now you're gonna tell me what's mean off-grid package? It means it has 400 watt solar panel on the roof, has 2,000 watt inverter. All other manufacturers, they give you only 200 watt. This 400 watt. All the manufacturers, they give you inverter prep. This one come with the 2,000 watt inverter. Look the thickness of the compartment. When you come over here, please feel it and touch it. Solid, and this is metal, not a plastic. That's what is the quality. You ask me quality. Which travel trailer does not give you hard time? Which travel trailer you're not gonna come too many times for warranty claim? That's the brand. Another thing, look how wide their step. Look how wide the step. They use the same step what they use in the big high-end fifth wheels. This is used Asdel fiberglass. Everybody asks me, what is Asdel fiberglass? Asdel fiberglass is extra installation. It's like work as separation between the fiberglass and the foam, so to make sure the glue is stick together, and you're not gonna have issues called delamination, the bubbling. Look on the axle, it's a little bit wider here to make it more stability. Bigger tires, aluminum rims, not the cheapy steel. Outside sprayers. This unit has all power. When you tell me, what do you mean by all power? It means it has power tank jack, and every corner has a power stabilizer jack. There's a switch to the front, a switch to the back. Now, this one has Ember track. We had a video about it. We show you. This is multi-function bunk system in the back. I could make it single bunk. I could make it double bunk. I could make it an office. I could make it a hammock. I could put a washer dryer, and here's the fittings right there. I could put a door and get my canoe. So it has pack and play doors, so I could put my canoe here. Again, quality trailers. You asked me, quality trailers. Look, these latch doors on the bunk. Quality trailers. This is not a cheap trailers. If you are looking for price, don't look at them, because they sell quality and features and benefit more than just the price. Class 3 hitch receiver. Look how flush. Look how the receiver flush. Backup camera prep, leopard expandable prep. Now, show me on a travel trailer this size, they give you docking stations. This has one docking station where you have outside showers and where I do all my city water connection and my tank fill and cable and sunlight. Again, quality. Everybody, you will have whole plug here, and run back and forth. Here, one station, docking station. Where's my sewer hose connections? Set up high on the ground. These jacks is electric. Endless hot water heater. Again, quality. They use cable mechanism on the slide out. Why? Because it's less problems. You don't have teeth grinding. You don't have jumping track. So this is more liable and, again, costs more to build, and that's what they give you. Also, if the cameraman, please show them quality underneath the slide. Finish, complete, solid. This is all aluminum on the side walls of the slide out and even the floor of the slide out. Others, they don't. They put aluminum here and they leave the rest as wood. Completely finished. Look, this is how we got from Indiana. No issues. Solid doors. Again, quality. Tank heaters. Ask me about quality. Tank heaters. So if this trailer, I could take it to Seattle, Could take it to Washington, I could take it to Montana because it's enclosed underbelly and each tank has a heat pad. I could run them at 12 volt so they don't freeze up my plumbing. This is quality. Here's your solar panel controller, battery disconnect switch. Look how finished. Show them this box. This is your inverter. You asked me, this come with inverter. And this is a prep also for 3 cameras. 2 in the front, 1 in the back. Prep. Let's go inside and show you the features of this floor plan. In this floor plan, they make it in 2 ways. They make it with the dinette as well as air seating. Now, we're gonna talk about features, benefit more than, because this unit has a lot of stuff people they don't realize, and I need to share this information with you so when you come in, you know what you're buying for and you know what you're paying for, and when you compare, you know what to compare one. First one, this is a queen. So this is 60 by 80 queen bed. It's not RV queen. That's another thing. Look how deep the closets and the finish. They give you a plug on this side, plug on the other side for CPAP machines and so on. Doors, windows on both sides, and then also they finish the storage underneath it. Look how deep, and then they give you also shock. Over there, a lot of people, they ask me, what's that switch back there? Well, that switch over there, this is your inverter. This unit comes with a 2000 watt inverter. A lot of brands you're going to be looking at, they don't come with inverter because they give you only just inverter prep. Now, additional counter space. What they did, they raised it up 4 inches to gain this almost a foot counter. So you could utilize it for your grandkids or your family. You could sit and enjoy the TV view. You could enjoy the communication. So I could sit 2 people here or 4. So actually I could sit 6 people. Another advantage for you, this unit, I like this dimmer lights at corners. These kind of little things, it make a difference in the build. Look, I'm gonna show you one thing so you learn when you go to look at RVs. Where's the trim? Where's my trim? Nothing, there's no trim. Why? Because everybody use that 1/4 inch trim and they stable like with the stable gun going like bazooka on it, and you see all these dot spots. Well, where is it in these trailers? Not, because they use high-end trimming where they put it in before they finish the fascia of the slide. Also, some slide off fascia, you see bunches of stables. They're going crazy. Where is it here? That is the quality trailers. Look, also the finishing in the top is completely finished, built in. This molding, they put it in before they put the roof. Look how finished the seam on the corner. These things, I want you to go look at it when you are buying a travel trailers. Solid balances. Show me a table with no legs and a nice mechanism. All you have to do is just go like this and push the shock like that, and you bring it down. I don't have to worry about two stools I have to remove and they come on my foot, 2 beams actually, and it has a shock, it lifts itself, and you just make sure you get in the groove. Sorry. Done. Okay, look the finishing on the dinette, and by the way, the dinette easy, the slide out, nice fascia, and easy to get in. And they give you storage in the slide out. A lot of them now manufactured to cut cost. They give you a big window, not because they love the big window, because they eliminate this. By me giving you a big window, I save money making this cabinet for you. Ember, they don't. They give you storage. Again, the big 11 cubic foot fridge, around 12 volt, and again, no worries because we have 400 watt solar panel, cooking pans, and even this switch. A lot of them, they tell you, oh, you could turn it on off. No, Ember, they give you a switch. That's a quality. Nice finish. I like the backsplash with the B tile, and then you have a storage here. More storage, more nice counter space. Kitchen is wider. Look at the distance. It's wider. Country sink with a high-rise faucet. Place for a trash can. Deep finish. You don't see hanging plumbing like some of them. Tinsel doors, self-closing on this price range. Convection electric microwave. 2 big burner with a backsplash. The TV is on a twist arm, and so you could access, you could see it. I mean, I could twist it if I want. I could see it from my bed, and I could see it from the diner, and everybody could see the TV with no problem. They give you more efficient AC controller here, and this is the high-tech of Furrion AC. A fantastic fan with the rain sensors. So if you don't want to run 110, I could run the fantastic fan, take the heat out, and bring fresh air. Big pantry. This is the power cord. Big pantry, and big place for your dishes. Plugs on both, so I could put margarita mixers, toasters, espresso. There's 2 plugs. Even the people sitting here, they could plug in a laptop. And all this in a 22 ETS. Now, this bunk, I'm not gonna go over it, because you could see here, if the cameraman showed them the multi options Ember track system, what I could do is I could do all kind of stuff with that bunk. In their bathroom, very roomy, very fresh. I could even feel the nice cool weather inside the bathroom because it's very well installations. Solid aluminum frame, vacuum bonded. I love the finishing. There's no stupid molding, flashing like some other brands. Nice counter space extension with shelf. As you see, porcelain toilet. Deep, they use the corner and solid wood medicine cabinet, not the flimsy plastic. Place for towels. Easy to get in the shower. And nice height, width. Love this handle. I never seen it. They give you a nice handle to get in the shower. And with this. So all this stuff, you get it in. For price, we have this unit on special for $39.9. $39.9, brand new. And then again, we have it also for $38.9. So we have 2 prices because the price make a difference if theater or no theater. Come to Best RV, grab this 22 ATS for a price no one could, and you're buying a trailer with high quality, less visit to the service centers. Come buy this unit from Best RV and save money.